let's start with the wonderful planets. My contention is, we heard this morning, yes, it's a fantastic planet, beautiful, wonderful, but I'm still going to get to the or is it part of it. So there we have it: seas, oceans, coastlines, rocks, mountains, rivers, waterfalls, plants, animals, wonderful planet. Probably not the only habitable planet in the universe. There might be thousands, we just don't know. But at the moment, we're far enough away from the sun, and not too far away from the sun. We're not as hot as Venus, and we're not as cold as Mars. So, and we have an atmosphere, so people can live here, and other creatures, many other living things live. So, but are we the custodians? We, human beings, what do we call it? Homo sapiens. Are we the custodians? Well, our track record isn't very good. There's 7 billion of us, and we live in every corner of this planet because we can, because we have technology.